my first tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you how to build it, but in another version. Now let's get into it. But first, I need to go to a world. I'm going to do the flat world if I like. I'm going to do Tumblr Stream. And also, I need to get all the ingredients for it. My nose is sore right now.
1 hour later.
Yeah, just waiting for it to load. I can't believe I'm doing this. Like, this is my first channel. So here we are in the game.